Real estate is all about leads, follow up, and closing deals, but managing all of that manually can be a real headache. That's where GoHighLevel CRM comes in. In this video, I will show you how real estate agents can use GoHighLevel to manage clients, automate the task, and stay organized so you can focus on selling homes instead of tracking the paperwork. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. So to grab the offer, just check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. First thing is, let's talk about the capturing leads. GoHighLevel lets you build the landing pages, the forms and funnels, especially for your real estate business. You can create a page like find your dream home or schedule a free consultant where potential buyers or sellers enter their information. Once they do, the system automatically adds them into your CRM so you never miss a lead. Next step is the real estate pipeline. You can create stages like new lead, contacted, property viewing, offer made, and closed deal. Now every lead moves through the stage automatically as you update their status. This gives you a clear view of every client's journey and ensures no one falls through the crack. Now one of the most useful feature is the workflow and the automation. For example, when a new lead fills out a form, GoHighLevel can instantly send them a welcome email, a text message, and even a calendar link to schedule a call. You can also automate the follow-ups over the next few days, keeping your leads warm without spending hours manually messaging them. Appointment booking is another lifesaver. So you can connect your calendar to GoHighLevel so clients can schedule property tours or consultations directly. The system will automatically send the confirmation reminder to keeping your schedule full and organized. You can also just send the targeted broadcast message, maybe a new property just came on the market, and you can quickly notify interested clients via your email or SMS by using the automation. The automation keeps your audience engaged and increase the chance of quick sale. Now finally, you can take the advantage of the review request or the reputation. So you can see the tab here. Basically, after closing a deal, GoHighLevel can automatically ask your client for reviews and helping you to build credibility and attract more business. So in short, GoHighLevel CRM makes managing real estate clients simple, organized, and automated. So capturing lead, moving them through your pipeline, automate the follow-up, schedule the appointments, and building your reputation all from one platform. If you want to try GoHighLevel, you can use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some bonuses also. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.